Hello guys, this is Otoshebo Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook on Otoshebo Mama page. You can also see me on Otoshebo Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
People, I don't know how to talk this thing. May I do one with pigeon. May I do one with pigeon because a lot of things sometimes they somehow. Sometimes a lot of things they somehow. You know, a lot of things they somehow. So cannot be everything you want. Sometimes make it be say, oh, you both on the know. So please help me to share this video. Maybe it's an advice. I love to give advice where I fit. Nobody is perfect and there is no marriage. Like I said yesterday morning, I said no marriage is perfect. If anybody tell you say, na your own milk and honey, sugar, everything there inside, that person they lie. They lie, they deceive you. No believe. No believe. But one thing we be say people don't understand or people don't really know. Be say has color different. Has color different. Now so people different. Now so people behavior different. And now so people culture different. That is one thing we black. We know they always say. I feel say we know they too understand. Say if you marry Oyibo, they different. If you marry Oyibo, they different. You marry black, it different. Now two things. Two things. Now different package altogether. Oyibo men, they are women different though. Not be say you can't go say they live with Oyibo, living together. You not marry Oyibo. You not follow Oyibo stay house for 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, even 5 years, 10 years. You not go know how them be. If you they work with Oyibo for a working place, don't say you know Oyibo. You don't know Oyibo. Now when you don't live with Oyibo for house, like 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, then upwards. Some people that they born for Oyibo. Why some? They know they born for Oyibo. You understand? Depend on how you feel say you won't live your life, whether not to go born for Oyibo or not be to born for Oyibo. But once you know, say, you born for Oyibo, because Oyibo, if they love you with the whole of their heart. You understand? If they love you with the whole of their heart. And mostly the men. But when they start suspecting you, then there is a big problem, which you yourself, you need to gather up yourself and gather the way you do things. This is our sister Korra. I think she really need a lot of advice. You might be strong. You understand? Say you just born Peking, then you come, you can't dance, you can't do this, you can't do that, which is what the husband never wants now, at least with 2 little children. The live video she's doing is too much. It's too much. Go at war, go see comments. Go demand war, go see comments. You will see that people are telling them, why are you guys on live video on and on, on and on, on and on, on and on. Sometimes when things is becoming too much, it now leads to obsession, which we don't already they say our own sister not feel live the live video. Even despite after delivering, at least give yourself 1 week. Give yourself time to heal. The live video will be there. The live video will be there. Social media is not running away. But not just that then the following day you just come and everything. Oyibo not the too like her, man. Even we black men, say now black man she marry. It go for still too rugged for her that no man go take and say you just newly born, the next thing a live video, which for her is not too good. But in the sense, the husband Wetin me I dey see say e bring their marital problem. They don't forget am long. You understand? They don't forget am long. They don't forget am long. They don't forget that marital problem long. Why I say they don't forget am long? Not be now. The hard bust. Maybe the hard bust of the man, that is the husband, is a hard burst of like, okay, maybe after she done born, she will be calm, she will be cool, she will be quiet. Please share this video, like. I'm not seeing comments. I'm not seeing comments. I don't even know what is wrong this evening. I know they see comments. So the husband feel say maybe by this time after she done born, she go quiet, she go calm, then she go kind of maybe change some kind of lifestyle wey be say she dey live, but she continue. Behold, you are a mother of two and somebody wife. You understand? It is possible maybe the husband want her to like kind of change some certain behavior, some certain attitude that, okay, with this thing, maybe, you know, just they do her now. And that coming of live video, I'm not sure say the husband expect am now from her. Maybe the husband think he will be the one to be doing live video for now, because the same thing the husband they do. I go check two of them war. I go check their war. I not just they quit, they come out. I check their war. I see when the husband they come out also. The same thing the husband was doing. So maybe the husband thought, this is my moment to shine now. Now that you just give birth to a baby, just go in quietly, focus on the children, whereby I will now be the one maybe to shine. With that live video, maybe the husband is thinking, this is my moment that I can be showing off, because I see where he was trying to like remove the navel of the little baby, and behold, the pikin not wear shirt, he not wear anything. Thousands of comments that were there, it was against the man of that baby not putting on clothes, a newborn baby, and you are doing show off on live video. They try as if say many people never born. You understand? And the man is not a doctor. It's not a doctor. It's not a doctor. It don't be like when they will say, you see the way with them, he job people, they take, they fix all those things. So he job person now will be say, they know a lot about bones and all those things. Not go just go give themselves a be doctor. Whereby the doctor now just say now formality won't be that one. Believe me. Believe me. Now, when you never, maybe you never get problem, either hand pain or waist pain, where be say you feel go physiotherapy not feel help you, then go show you say, okay, go another way. Sometimes that is what the husband is doing. Sometimes maybe your bone structure or the way where you take a position. If it be say maybe if you stand, you know, some people now, if they just stand, maybe their leg will just go back. Wow. So those people get the way be say, they will take, they train you, they tell you, say, see how you will take correct your standing, your sitting, and all those stuff. Now you be waiting the husband they do. Now you be waiting the husband they do. So not be doctor. Not be doctor. If you go tell her now which medicine, you not go know and tell you. You understand? It has to do with all this like physiotherapy. There is also they massage too. They massage. They like maybe some children they not fit sit down well, or they not quick sit down. You fit still carry them go there, then go learn, teach them or train them how to sit down good, or sometimes then go train them how to position their neck, maybe the pikin neck. You know fit carry and well in the normal position. Then those things is what the husband is doing. Is what the husband is doing. And behold, the husband, he came out on live video a few days ago. I think after 5, within 30 minutes, he came back on live video. Likewise, the wife. Likewise, you understand. Sometimes it is getting too much. No, he's not a medical doctor. No, he's not a medical doctor. It just be like you drop people now. We be say, you know, when person go break leg for house, They'll say they'll come, they help you maybe after you don't heal. You know, now those things, sometimes doctor no they recommend they go there to some of them. You understand? But for where they, you feel go meet them, your insurance go pay. Or you feel pay the money by yourself. Sometimes, most of their job, insurance, no, they always pay. Now you go pay by yourself because they're not some of them. They not get contract with a lot of insurance. Now, waiting they happen be that. But for say cheating and this and that, where I feel say there is a problem there. You know, one woman, when the wife, they always they open body, they come dance and all those pints and all those things. Sometimes I feel the man fat is enough now. If you go see the man body language and see the woman body language, where I go tell some people, make them go look for the video when the man won't try massage the wife's stomach. Go and see the way the wife was frowning. The wife is bringing out a happy moment outside. Meanwhile, indoors, she's not happy. She's not happy. I feel that our sister is controlling. Oh, you boy, get where they go take a ratio. They can never take it anywhere with you anymore. You get where they go take and reach. You might be working with Oyibo for working place. You don't know them. Go and stay with them. They are ready to love you, ready to do everything with you. But by the time they have it here, they don't get and say, maybe you can say, you know, we black, we don't know when to draw line. No. We don't know when to draw line. Now that one be waiting some people will be say they marry Oyibo. Some of them don't know. You understand? Some of them don't know when to draw line, when to say, okay, this thing make I just suffer humble myself jejely. And if it be say maybe the cheating where the man talk, if it be say maybe the wife no they do that kind of fornication, no. If it be say, hey, I don't be me or when we beneath the call. So if it be say na be waiting they happen, say maybe the wife no they declare waiting she they get her income. It go be like say maybe the man is taking more on his shoulder. You understand? The man is taking more on his shoulder. And if Oyibo they take more on their shoulder and you are not supportive in a way that they them feel say, okay, we are doing it equal. If you and Oyibo they do equal, you not go get problem with them. They not care. Whatever anything when you do, they not care. But now when you not come they equal, you can see say the thing go they bust their brain. You fit just there inside car with them, they will they drive you, they go. In the middle of a speed of maybe 120 kilometers for speed, in the middle of center of express road, it go just hold break. You yourself, you go the fear. You go tell yourself if you're not careful. You don't see Oyibo character. Go, not be for working place. Go stay. Marry Oyibo. Live with Oyibo. Then you know when. They know how to respect people, but they themselves know when to draw the line. Please share this video. I know they see comment. They know when to draw the line. And when they themselves know when to draw the line, also respect them. Respect their privacy. By the time they need that moment with you, respect it. Because they're ready to give you everything. They're ready to do everything for you. Oh, Star Mercy, good evening. Now, my another phone they used to they read. I know they see for this one. I don't even know. Respect their moment. Because the husband, if you look the video that they do when they're newly born, so likewise, the husband loved the wife so much. The man loved the woman so much. But he is not getting the full attention from the wife. He's not getting it. Full 100% attention from the wife. He not get them. And if Oyibo, especially this moment where he be say, now them now supposed to they do bonding. But the wife now social media, she they do her bonding. She they do her bonding for social media. And which is one of the things that moment the husband is not happy with it. The man is not happy with it. Not be everything that go say pray. You know, we black, we always believe in prayer. Prayer. There is nothing prayer cannot do. But when you as a person, you don't change your own character, where prayer one can work there. Where prayer won't come work there. You might be doing fasting and prayer, but your character remain the same. How that prayer won't come to work? Not be daughter, no, not be daughter. Now, just like you know when they'll say you job people. If you not change character, you pray from morning till today. There are a lot of people who don't feel saying a prayer. Some people go do morning fasting, evening fasting, 7 days fasting. Under 1 week, you go see say that they fornicate. They are coming again to come and do another fasting. Morning, afternoon, evening, they are praying 247. But following week, they are doing another thing. They are doing another thing. So now prayer won't come work on you or work on your own self. If Oyibo don't they complain like this, it means say they don't they fed up. Believe me. It means say they don't they fed up. They are not getting what they actually bargained for or how it all started. That's what they want. Now see the video where the husband do yesterday. When the man they say, what did she say? What did you say? Repeat it, repeat it, repeat it. You go believe say now that short video they just put for her. But after that live video, the hard burst where they happen. Because the man now Fifi say maybe Oyibo, their family, once they don't reject you, reject waiting you go marry come. You are on your own. Oyibo mother-in-law and Oyibo father-in-law. Their own pass we black or no. Their own father-in-law, mother-in-law, their own pass. If they reject you, they don't want you. You are on your own till you die. Even their pikin will go marry you. Sometimes they know that you will see some people they'll say, oh, the Oyibo family where I born for, they not welcome my pikin. They don't want. Now so their life be. If they don't want you, they don't want you. But by the time they see different error, different error, they can call their own son and say, we told you, be careful, we told you, you know here. So maybe by that time, it is possible is what the husband is getting. A lot of heat from his own family. A lot of heat from his own family. Which I believe our own sister supposed to like 1 week off live video. Stay indoor with your children. Stay indoor. Not be every woman just say if you just born, you go weak. No, not be all woman. Many women, they are like that. Once they just born, the next day they go do another thing. Me, I'm like that. I feel born just like waka go ass. There are a lot of women like that are no weak. Many women, they will be say they're not weak, but they are strong. Everybody not be the same. Some might be weak during pregnancy, while some might be strong after pregnancy. That's so it be for some people. But this our sister, when the husband they say cheating, accountability. Cheating, accountability. Know that there is financial problem there already. You don't just talk about accountability. You get it? So, una know one thing, especially we will be black. Once we marry, yeah, everything about us, now to pump and carry and go Africa. You understand? Hey. Now to carry everything, say you will, now Igbo now. So Igbo ready to do everything, whereby you black. You just carry everything where you get, you gather them, you can't carry them. Especially maybe family for Africa, when they see say now Igbo marry you for house. University money now you go can't pay. Everything money about home now you go they take care of it. You understand? But sometimes the white people they get fed up. Igbo they get fed up. Igbo they get fed up. Whereby you they work, because the live video when she they do, she too she they work. Now work be that what she they do. It is possible she's not bringing it in fully to the family. She's not bringing it fully to the into that family. Where be say they are just for now. Now so Oyibo life be Oyibo no they give their mama money. They know they give their papa money. So they themselves expect you not to go do the same thing where they know they do. Because e no dey their culture. Say once you don't grow, then you will come they send money, they give your papa, you will come they send money, come they give your mama, you will come they do. No, e no dey their culture. Their own be say sometimes their papa they come meet them, their papa go sign, then they sign contract. I fit borrow you 200 euro, you go pay me so time back. Now papa and pikin, sometimes mama and pikin. Even they themselves will be oyibo. If pikin go meet parents say, I need so amount. Now borrow, then they sign contracts. And that pikin go pay back. If you no pay back, then they carry their pikin, they go court. That is their system. That is their system. Their own system also say, maybe after, if they borrow you money, you must return that money back to them. You must return it. Their own be say, not be say they don't love you. But now when Oyibo papa go come die or Oyibo mama go come die, now there you go see the love. They go will everything for the children. They know they touch. They know they touch one. Once they don't die, if they won't even help orphanage home, it get amount where they'll take help orphanage home. But it get the amount where be say the fifi say okay, a lot of all these things, take it for the children, which they are doing that. Oyibo they do all those things. But don't take, say, because say now Oyibo, you take the man for granted. There is no white man that will take it. No white man will take it. Oyibo parents, they always leave something behind for their children, even their grandchildren. Even there are some Oyibo will be say they're not born. But the moment they die, everything where they get, then they will and they go give their cousins. I don't see Oyibo where he will all he wet after he die. Give 17 members of his own family. 17 members, all his cousins. Each person got 20,000 euro. But when the person dey alive, go meet him. Tell him say you need money. He go tell you say bring come. You go borrow. He go borrow you the money. You go see return. But when he die, he will everything to 17 people. For waiting he can't live remain. And he gives some to orphanage home. That is how they live their life. But they no one can hear all this kind consent. Go give papa consent. Ask anybody where they with Oyibo. Then they don't hide. At the beginning they might be Baba K, I greet. At the beginning they might be happy with it. Say okay, my papa need money. The fee help you send go once, send go 2 times. The moment he done too much, Oyibo can't tell you say he not be bank. Then they say they are oh. Then they say it's over. You know, it get a lot of things where be say Oyibo no they take. They know they take them. They know they take them. If you not marry them, you not stay with them, you will never know their character. Not be the one where you see for work. That one a different one. If the men are even more better than their women. The men, they're more better. Is one of the reasons this our sister, she really need to calm down. She need to calm down. Because doing too much will not make that marriage work. Especially you don't decide, say, okay, you want born. Many people not born give Oyibo. That's why they not care. If Oyibo say go, I divorce you. Then you go say, I don't get anything where I lose. Provided I don't still get Wetin, I don't still get something. But once you don't born inside, then always know. No. She be saying America, say okay, go take the pikin. But sometimes, now when Oyibo go tell you, say okay, you black woman carry pikin, they go, no problem. They feel leave you. But if the Oyibo talk say, he not go give you that pikin, they not go give you. He get a lot of things to take, say you won't carry the children and go back to Africa. Which no judge go ever sign that, give that black woman the custody. Sometimes they day like that. Even people they will be say, Oyibo himself knows you not being able to get that pikin. He go fight for custody. Anywhere with that pikin, then you will go bring and come give her. You go carry and come give her. The live video was too much. During pregnancy, she no rest. After pregnancy, she no rest. So when you come dey rest, when you come dey have time for your children, when you come dey take dey clean, when you dey take dey clean your house, when? You know, sometimes too much of everything is bad. We have to limit some certain things. The husband no dey get attention. If Oyibo no dey get attention, whereby them know say, they themselves know say, they don't invest their 100% give you. And you, in return, you are not able to give them 50% of what they are giving you. There is problem. They know they take. I mean, not just be like that. Now, when we are black, we will say, when we all go say family asset or issue, Oyibo, their family not they talk put. Their family not they settle their issue. Go and take that one. Carry on. Take it. Their family not they talk put. Their family not they settle the issue. And once anything wrong, their marriage go wrong. Now that time you will come see the love way be say their family go come they show them that time. Especially when it be say, if their family not first want you, and maybe now only you want, or can be like the black person, black wife, among all the other children. You know, some Oyibo that they born plenty. If it be say some born for some born three, then who born three now out of that three children? Now only your husband go marry you will be black woman, enter that family. You understand? Only you one way be say you be black. Now in day inside that family. And now only your children where you be black too. Now in day that family. You know, color children, half caste. Now in day that family. 100%. Mother-in-law, father-in-law. They not go ever give unto you. Believe me. They not they ever give unto you. So for that kind of life or that kind of marriage, just humble yourself jejely. If they smile with you, it doesn't mean that they love you. They're not like you. Just humble yourself jejely. You understand? Because the guy don't involve in your family put. Meaning, if they get them out back and front from your family, you never see when Oyibo family could tell you, say, we told you. No complain to them. No just carry your family issue. Go complain to them. You spoil everything. You spoil everything. By that time, they will come make the marriage worse for you. You sure say, God forbid now, say two of them divorce now. The family will be so happy that finally their son is coming back to them. Because I see one family picture where they do, I think during Christmas time. During Christmas time. Now, she's the only black woman in that family picture. Only black person in that family picture. So you just feel say they go just fully say their pikin just can't leave every Oyibo children wey be say they you know marry Oyibo wife, you can't go marry you, come from Africa, then are you not can they are not fully happy. Believe me. They are not fully happy. It is for her to use her sense. For her to use her sense. If you never marry Oyibo, you not go know how Oyibo be. Now when you go don't marry Oyibo, you go come know how Oyibo be. Oyibo, even if you just dey born, nah. The love where you they give your pikin, then go they want that same love from you. So the husband is not getting the boarding time. He's not getting the family time. He's not getting it fully from her. And the accountability way they talk, if it be say our sister now go say declare say in they get 50 euro every month. You understand? In they get 50 euro every month. Then maybe from the video where the husband they do, the husband they get say see how much where me they get from this my small one. Then you will be say just get millions of followers, millions of views. See how much where you they declare. You understand? If it be say enough fully there. If it be say enough fully there. So that is where the accountability comes in. Because they believe that marriage is marriage. So whatever, if it be say now one account that they use, one account. So una know na anybody wey don't marry Oyibo, una know. The game they there be say now different story you go they bring they come. All in the name to carry and go Africa. And that thing they break up marriage. Oyibo, sometimes they endure. Sometimes they go feel say the endure don't too much. It don't too much. So they just want everything to be equal. So that they themselves can still have their own life. They themselves, they can still have their own life to live. Especially the younger ones. So, because the husband is just 30 years old. The husband is just 30 years old. So he's still young. Now the ones where be say they don't advance, they don't see life, they don't eat life, they don't do everything. Now that time if they do anything, whatever, they know they care. So now just say maybe they don't need somebody where be say he go really just stay there with them, they make them they happy, they don't care how they spend the money. But the ones where just they start life, no way. No way. So the guy is actually fed up. And our sister is coming outside pretending that everything is well. It's not well. She is the one controlling. She is the one controlling. Believe me, she's the one controlling. So the guy finally feel that I can never get the happiness that I want. I don't see any reason why she should be in live video for 1 week. 1 week. Give yourself time. Don't be everything you just need to show off. Go see house, no cleaning, no proper. You know, when we will say, Bini, your mama, you go pay everywhere, go they shine. You go prepare yourself. They're not prepared. Because they are still young. They are still young. But one, she not just say young like that. Now Africa, you for come. Equal Africa, we they clean, we they do everything, we they prepare down. We they prepare down. She is very disorganized. She's very disorganized, my sister. Very, very disorganized. Even sometimes if she they cook there, you just see under 2 minutes, 3 minutes, she don't back. So it's like you go just say, what is this? You understand? What is this? The Oyibo still they grow, they come. You understand? If they grow, they come. By the time you go get to that kind 40, not be all these things where she they do. You not go take her from her again. Believe me. You not go take her from her again. So it's where he is trying to maybe change the narratives now. And that our sister, she's very stubborn. Go see comments where people they write. Then they ask them. Why he be say this pikin go na newly born and not let the pikin rest for 1 day. Now so live video. And people where they write them so. Not be even the white American, no, the black Americans are so hungry. Go see their comment section for the husband on. By the time where they show the pikin navel, how navel they take the fall down. Now some come they even they ask and say, newborn baby, una not they wear the pikin shirt. Una not they wear the pikin shirt. I be the pikin not get close. What is going on? People were asking too many questions there. That why is it that everything about them is on social media? You won't come show people, you will be 30 years. Maybe your wife now, maybe the girl, I think she should be 25, 26, 27. You never even reach that age. Then now, when I want to show people where be say, there be 60 years, 70 years where don't born. Their children don't even get grandchildren. How picking never they take they come out. And people were really hungry. Say the pikin, they're not they wear a shirt. Upon say people buy a lot of clothes, can't dash the pikin, but they're not they wear the pikin clothes. They're not they wear the pikin clothes. If the marriage go survive, it the wife hand. If the marriage not go survive, it the wife hand. And if he be say the man, Oyibo, may I tell you one thing that they do. If you born for them and they don't see say maybe for the treating on, may I not just say now just adultery way or fornication. I feel say maybe the guy feel is being cheated out of financial aid. You understand? Maybe the wife is getting more, but she's not bringing in more. She's not bringing in more. So you can see that even the whole situation, it's not too weaker like that. Not be saying not weaker, but it's not too weaker. The man is having the pain, the bigger pain of this whole thing, because he feel like I have invested a lot, but I'm not getting what I invested. I'm not even getting half. I'm not even getting a quarter of what I invested. I'm not getting quarter of what I invested. And so many be. The moment they come abroad, see who story where they hear a few days ago, now say, my way still go carry where somewhere here closer to us. Huh? After how many years for Europe, finally now don't carry woman come abroad. Come abroad, woman wey be say you with her don't date for 30-something years. The woman don't come abroad now. After 7 children. Now the woman won't come make problem. When she did Benin, she not make problem. Now the time when she can't come here now that time she can't the demand for divorce. Wow. That's why they understand some men. If they're just their wife and children, they'll just day house. They'll say, nah, good. This one just after many years, they can say, okay, me I just bring them come. Because don't tell yeah. Now, consider drama. Consider drama. Woman will just come barely 4 years now. Consider waiting they do the husband way they here for the past 30 years. Because she don't they finally they receive money. She don't finally they receive her own money. And the same problem now, the same thing. She know they put in the whole money for the house. She they send, they go Africa. She they send, they go Africa. And this is a man you've been together for 30 years with. Just 4 years in abroad, you don't change korokoro. You don't change. She don't become something else. She's not even a woman of 50 years. Now she won't divorce the husband. After marriage of 30 years. Now. 4 years in Europe. And people, the thing, it get as it be. If Oyibo don't they complain, you go know say they don't do beer. It is possible the man don't they go for counseling. The woman not they go. He don't they go for counseling because why? All was not that problem already first day. Problem already first day. Oyibo they believe in second chance. And their second chance now to go counseling. They like to go counseling. They like to say everything out. And if you obey now say, maybe the physician where the man they go see. If you can't see the record when the doctor go finally bring and come out, you go see say the man don't talk a lot. But we black, we know they go. We know they go see, we know they go see psychologists, we know they go see anyone. We know they go talk to. We know they go. We might be having problem, we might be having stress, we might be having all, but we know they go lie. It's a grace, exactly. 7 children, grandchildren, don't they? Now you bind the day when you are divorced after receiving our own salary. This abroad, Hey, now wow. Now the man they regret. Why he even carry and come go for just live on there? No, we won't we bube. So now so it just be. Oh, boy, if you don't understand them, if you not just understand them, just try your possible best. Just understand them. They can go to any length. They're not okay. They can go to any length. Can go to any length. And it get one way it happen. It get one way it happen, especially if they don't they suspect you. If they want go do DNA for children, they know they tell you. If then they suspect you, say Ovambo, you do this. If they want do DNA for children, they know they tell you. It get person when I know where it happen to. He run come up for house now. Because she herself know what she go do. Amada Egbelawa, you know enter house again. You know enter house again. That's why this her own. I no one believe say now that fornication aspect she go do and all those things. So, but that one. I know if you say not true. I know if you say because I know they there. I don't know what's in the man they go through. But I know say Oyibo they go do DNA, they know they tell you, then they pack everything. They know they tell you. If Oyibo marry black person and then they suspect different waka, then they go do DNA secretly. Me they tell you. Me they tell you. Then they go do secretly. They not go tell you the wife. Don't just carry sample by themselves. Carry everything. Go pay, go do one. Then they do. I know who it happened to. That was the end of their marriage. I know who it happened to. Ovi gbok bari ano o marry ebo. Won yi gbo yan fofo anya. O money na wa fofo akakabo. E mana do aka mo oni we o mona o fofo but e tore no ya wegbe o ma ko we. E tore no ya wegbe o ma ko we. E tore no ya wegbe o ma ko we. O te keke ni tore a jere nyana na o jere nyana. You understand? E bona avie san poto boy o ma ge. Anona wa gele labor no honi. Ona labor no na amwe honi kare mana. Ona ari wana ari visa ne weni ya ne weni. Ona a boy ni from a school ma ya ye school ndo honi. Ona do so we cleaning all in the ne no ya ri ebe ne ri visa ne. Ogele ri visa no na mo ade we regbe ade. But e do we mi na ye gwega ye fiyi. Owe gboni na ya ona we regbe ya le lokbe anokasi ai. Ona do biomo because so biomo ni o money na ahwanye na ebo ni because a marriage no o wan yake we marriage re o money na ahwanye na ebo ni but ebo ni being that here before use your money we fofo o money wa kakabo afofo but e tona do luhan e tona do wegbe ebo yen keke mu na ebo na avie mi na re ona vie sample ogomo ona ya we o we na we na elawa Orio sisi hoye. Orio body osisi hoye. Because e boni gimeje oye khere bijewu. Owe ni wan lose life nyeji. Because inya e ha e jian bie. Irinya bi jian bie. The whole family ana gele labor le lo na all in the name omok biakba ne niyan we. Because he hueva biakba and okbe ani ora okbo giver. Omok biakba niyan we. Overi yoku obie yana ga le bone yana le bone edagiri ede oi owari osisi owetu munye dagmuria nyo pa maro ni amauni ya segbe ere ni no mono kwa everything but I cannot do ya find that bo any te wu owari osisi ko na wa alawa ya gboa wa lawa ya gboa ubmo dagmiria ada o ma jo ko ni lawa o ma je lawa e bona wo no mo vie your money ma me no yin but on da your din ere yan so there on a problem in our why tana where or walking ya alele bowe I don't know because so it is so no or say ima oni je boya ta o sunu me mi no sunu dane avie o akama we na lawa because egene de bia we mani bunga we ebo so be akhabu we ya bia muri ebo ni bun especially ave mani nwa ni ro eni bun boda yo yama be ke yen guwe wa be gba o money yama ke but mami no yongi no wa yongi be gbe a o we korana eni e try with yan because o see again na wa to me the boy ni na find that he yongi le nya o logo my girl ni je America, maybe with that one. Or why I get guy frustrated. I get frustrated. A boy me lenti no pushing us they overreact. The moment they overreact, you can't take it. You can't take it. The guy is just bringing out to social media because he's looking for solution. He's looking for solution. He's looking for peace. He wants to be calm. She's obsessed. She's obsessed with social media, is what I see in her. She's obsessed. Everything about her is social media. I don't know the kind of money that she's looking for. Go see to even clean everywhere. Person John newly born. Go see. I don't even know whether they have a bed even one. I don't even know whether they get bed. It just surprised me. I just can't look. She even can't even make America look like I don't know, American city room or living room or sleeping room. It can't even make her look like, I don't know. Can't even make her look like Africa. Just living on live video, you cannot clean, you cannot arrange things. You want born, see house and see be. See where you born new baby. New baby, una just born her, una begin they pull the shirt. They begin on the wear shirt. Go see people for the husband session. Then they complain. Out of thousands of comments there, I will bet you 1,000 comments is against them. 1,000 comments is against them. Family problem. The guy don't to be and I bring and come out. Believe me. He don't to be and I bring and come out. Because Oyibo, they know they go tell their family problem to their own family. The only thing that they go meet doctor, they complain. Go meet people where go cancel them. But once the thing not change to Wetin they like, this is the hard bust. The man I feel they go therapy. The husband they go therapy. Not just for him to say since 2018 in the harbor. Then you go no say it don't take. The man they go therapy, but the woman not they go. She feels she's fine. You know, we black now, we feel say we fine, but Oyibo they know they feel the handle her. They know say they're not fine, but then go just they'll go look for help. So for him coming out, una go know say don't fair go find all help. Thinking maybe the wife go change, the woman not change. How you just born the next day in a live video 2 times a day, 3 times a day. You go the post here, you go the post here, you go the post here. The whole family live video. You know even just wait say maybe 1 week so that people go they even they hear for you say then when you come out, you go come out looking fresh. The baby will be robust, everything. No, rather on just carry pikin come out. Nah, no shirts, nothing. People are complaining. Say they buy boxes of clothes, can't give the pikin and una know they wear. They are complaining. A married woman, if na black man she marry, you sure say go gree make his wife go they wear pants and bra they show for this thing. He got the audition where she do when she was pregnant with the first daughter. I think America Got Talent or so. She was there 7 months pregnant. The dance where she go dance there, even the judges tell her say, don't do that again. You can harm that baby. The way she take dance. Now through American Got Talent, I just know that girl. This Korra, so American Got Talent. She was there when she was pregnant with the first daughter. She was 7 months pregnant. The way she take dance, stretch her leg, eat ground, the 2 leg widen. The judges, una know some Korra. It's tell her they were so scared. They were scared. They tell her make she not do it again. Because of that, they not take her. They love what she was doing. They like the way she performed. They love everything that she was doing. But they said it was too much for the baby. It was too much. May not go give the pikin brain damage. All in the name of popularity. Is one of the reasons they didn't take her. They were happy that, okay, she's pregnant, she was flexible, she was so healthy, she get the strength and all that. But the way the dancing and all those things, they told that it was too much. It was too much for the baby. May she not go harm the pikin. 7 months pregnant. And at that time, they jump from up, they hit ground, bagada. So they sent her home. And therefore, Noah. And then no, but then I can't say she's too much. If she want cook live video and the thing where they cook, you go come see. How can they look now? America a pot to not see a pot to net there, me ya net there. No. Don't be so now. Don't be so. Oh yo monamade de coco. Monamade de coco. Nama be ma even na ya nit ye. Nama ma even na ya we ye. you know. So I feel the husband at least his profession has to do with at least part of body, bones, and all those things. So the husband goes school. He knows he know when to draw the line. He know when not to draw the line. The man don't they go for counseling, which he not happy. He not happy, not change the situation. And if only you want they go counseling, and your partner not they follow you, they go counseling. He can never change the situation. That is the hard bust that is coming out now. Is the hard bust. So the man felt he will be getting the attention that he deserves from her now. At least slow down on live video because one, you get 2 children. So it is possible now the man they run up and down. He go run for the first daughter. He go come run for the baby. He go come run for the wife. But meanwhile, the wife go come out. She will run her live video. She will be smiling. You see? It's not good. Oh, you born off they take stress like we black. Oh, they know they feel they take stress like we black. You get where they go take and reach. Then go tell you say it is enough. I want to be out. I want a divorce. And the moment they don't tell you say they want divorce, don't force it. If you still know it is something you can work on, go and work on it. Go and work on it. Give them half of what they gave to you. So the man said he invested all. He put all since 2018. And there is no changes coming from it. It is left for our sister now to now prove the other way to the husband. The marriage is in her hand. It go better, it did the woman hand. It no go better, it did the woman hand. It did the woman hand. Not be everything that we black will just say, may we go pray, may we go pray. You now, we outsider, we are saying, God, please keep them. God, please keep them. God will hear that prayer. Only when there is changes in your character, when there is changes in your behavior, when you know to draw the line, when you know to be a mother, when you know to be a mother. Sometimes you should walk out for street half naked. Half naked, half naked, half naked. What is that? Me no know. I don't know. Me, all those kind of culture, the African culture like that, say, now everywhere. For street. Half naked. Even people are even telling her, go and put on some clothes. You just newly born. We no want to see, say, your menstrual pad fall down or your whatever fall down. They no want to see her. It's not the best. It's not the best. She's still young, but she's a married woman. If you know you never fulfill your life because she feels she's living her dream, what she's supposed to live. You understand? Waiting, she's maybe by now, many African girls, they never marry. Some, then go start at the age of 30-something. But she now, she quit start time. She quit start time, so. It is what you bargain for. It's what you bargain for. You wanted to be a wife. And you wanted to be a mother. Oyibo no go force you if you never want born. No. Oyibo no go force you if you never want born. Sometimes Oyibo they pull bargain. They themselves. They themselves, Oyibo themselves, they put, say, okay, maybe 3 years time, 4 years time, after marriage, 4 years time, we go born. Baba City, good evening. You be one call. And they see your request here. No. They themselves, if they put, you feel just say, okay, 3 years, 4 years, because she's still young. She should have maybe by then fulfilled her dream. Family day, Baba, on your side, They themselves, then they give themselves, Oyibo to Oyibo, if they marry, then they put on, then they know when to bomb. Then they know when to draw the line. Make it for not stress them. I don't see Oyibo for where we first did. She got 3 children. Now operation, she take born the 3 children. Now waiting she they choose. Now waiting she they choose, say she won't use stay born. Everybody get when. She fit just decide, say, okay, 10 years coming, we go start to the born. But now our own, now we will be black. Now we know they get law. Now we know they get boundary. Now we know they get anything. Me don't see many Oyibo will be say, Now many daki frustrated them. For this abroad, where would they? Many daki frustrated them. After they don't born finish, you will come to see, you go leave picking for Oyibo, you go saying they go Africa, you want go do this. Oyibo is one more koko. And the Oyibo fit tell you say, this thing what you did, I never bargain now say I want born. If you be black, you deal with Oyibo. They ask a question, no. They ask a question. She need therapy. She need therapy. Sabina, good evening. You know, the woman is the one that need help. She is the one that need help. She is not taking the responsibility of being a mother, a wife. She is taking the responsibility. You cannot take two and leave one. It doesn't work. It doesn't work. Oh. She is taking the responsibility of being a mother, but she's not taking the responsibility of being a wife. Not be person say me you go marry at your early age. Where be say you supposed to they do wetin your mate they do by now. No problem. If not this time around, you they do this short pint and bra and all these things where you they do, no problem. But I believe the husband wanted, okay, this is the time. You are mother of 2 kids. It's the time now whereby you are supposed to change your lifestyle. As a married woman, she want to only be the role of a mother, is what I see here. She only want to be mama, but not a wife. Not a wife. And the husband need the full package. The man need the full package. She is only a mama, but not a wife. You cannot be a mother and not be a wife. It is even that difficult, we black to black, especially with the stress of abroad. Not to can't even talk or say, oh, you both different culture. It's why Baba Obotarami. Oh, you both with different culture, different backgrounds, different mentality. Or a woman with different mentality. You cannot be a mother and not be a wife. Because your husband also need a mother. Your husband need a mother. Make una go look the video where the husband they massage her tummy that very day. Go watch the beginning. And go and look our sister body language. Her face and everything about her. Go and look. And then you come back and tell me that she is the one that really need help. She's bossy. She's bossy. She's bossy. The husband be like a ram boy. He be like a ram boy. Go look her face. Go look the video. Go check that video very well. She is the one that needs counseling. Unless maybe the marriage she don't want the marriage. She only want children. Because I'm a green card like webone. When me green card yala we born on your phone, or we finally arrive. Maybe you go no me a live video or say I leave. We no go you understand? So, but I believe there are a lot. The cheating, if it be say something is going on, I don't know, with maybe adultery or fornication, that one I don't know. You understand? But people, they say DNA. If it be say something they happen, I don't know, but I'm not sure. For the video where the husband do yesterday, the man never said he's not the owner of that child. But one thing I know for 100% sure, Oyibo they go do DNA hide. Oyibo they go do DNA hide. Just busting some of the secrets. Oyibo they go do DNA hide. You feel there with them, they go do DNA, they no go tell you. Some go even there, you feel there with them. Then go remove their this thing, go tie and make them for no born. Then go they tell you say they don't know why. It's just to let you know say they no one born picking, but they no one tell you say they no one picking. Then go just book appointment with doctor, they'll go remove and tell doctor say make it send them off. I know one we do one of our sister like that. Wait, do that one go say pikin no come. Oyibo go say he don't know why. Doctor say everything good. Doctor say everything good. But meanwhile, The daughter where then they go. Now his own daughter. His own record they there. Waiting in go do. His own record, everything they there. The daughter cannot disclose everything with the wife. As long as the man not give and go ahead. Because the husband, the man don't go back, go confide in the daughter, say, I no one born. I no one born. It's left for you, wait, be woman. Either you stay or you go. Because not be all Oyibo one stress. Ije no gi obuta. Not be all Oyibo one stress. Oyibo way they choose say they no one born. Not just go waka go there. If you mistakenly born for them, and they can't see say that pikin, it can't become stress. And you can't use and stress them. They might love that child to know, but nonsense. So, una not see Samokowe. I think people were thinking he no go born, he no go born. Because this stage now, he don't see say, he don't enjoy his own life reach when he's supposed to enjoy and reach. Before he can start to the born. And I see agreement. He go agree with the woman. No use this pikin to stress me. The day where I no go want go play football with her, no force me go. Now you want pikin. Oyibo they tell you that they tell their life. The women too that they always they discuss their own too. If Oyibo woman no want born John pikin, you no go feel force her. She go tell you say now she get her body. That is their life. But this our sister, I feel she only want to be a mother, not a wife. Not a wife. Oyibo men good though. That they help. Where? Then they help. Oyibo fit just tell you, say, sit down there, go they give you coffee, go they give you tea, go they give you everything. He go they do everything. He go even they clean, you go they cook, he go they wash plates, he go they do everything. But when it's time for him to now come sit down, come have a relaxation, you have to relax with him. You see, you they cook, him they wash plates. Him they help you they wash plates. It's for you to come and have a quiet time with him later in the day. But at the end of the day, whereby some women know they get them, at the end of the day, man don't follow you do cleaning, do everything. What you can't they do? Is to go and relax. But your relaxation, now to come on live video. You see, your relaxation now to come on live video. Then you don't weaken the man brain. You don't weaken your own feeling there too. After you don't labor, do everything for you. Now for you to just come relax with him. Come sit down for sitting room. Sit down there with him. Make two of una they gather, they watch that movie, or they look news, or they drink coffee and tea together. He go just tell you, I'm not asking for more. Before they break, he don't do many things. What is left? Why are you just being on social media? I feel like she's selfish. She's selfish. Oyibo can go to, their men can go to any length. Believe me. Now, what that they do for their Oyibo women, if they themselves still marry, now the same thing the men they do to our black women. To our black women. Now, just that many of us, we black, we want more. Our women fear you in Obungbe. And it's possible financial that accountability or now the financial part. The woman or they declare everything based on say of Africa. Oh yeah, abo wa the lucky. Oh yeah, I wanna. And they bomali fe la fin very all. They are just happy with what they got, provided they feel say okay, you don't date abroad with them, you don't date America, or you don't date Europe with them. Una don't gather buy a house, una date there. For him, that one is enough. But by the time you come, they do wuru, you know we now. Man Africa, I give my yaya. So go carry family, sister school fees, you go just carry and you go put for head, you go they pay your sister children school fees. Then go they call you mommy based on say that they call you mommy. But Ebonu Wemujuwa is dying. He's dying. The Oyibo they die, they go. You go they pay school fees. Then go call, you go they do this. Then go call you, you go descend. The Oyibo is dying. That is the accountability that he is talking about. She's not focusing. She's not declaring. She's not even living as if say they are husband and wife. We sabi that one. We black. We sabi her. You go get your own money. You go they take your credit card. Take go they buy things. We all know the game. We know the game. We know the game. But at the long run, it's never the best. It's never the best. Believe me. Good evening. Let them say good evening. It's not the best. Now the woman need to go for therapy. She need to change her way, her lifestyle, everything. In terms of financial, she feel they meet up halfway. She feel they meet up halfway. If possible, now the man don't they do everything. Then all way they do for the live video or what Kwanya Africa. Because now what we sabi do be that. Now what we sabi do be that. It's possible the financial body, the thing don't they weigh the man down. Especially when second pikin can't join her. Second pikin can't join her. You never see when Oyibo go they create drama. Then if you carry phone from your hand, then go use her, insult your papa, insult your mama for Africa. Then if you don't even tell you, say, we are not working for Africa. You don't see Oyibo madness. You don't see Oyibo madness. The man want release small for una. Una they say we want to go and pray and fast. This will not be pray and fast. It's our sister that need to change her character. She's the one that need to change her character. Is the one. I don't they watch her. The man they follow and they do. If the man not love her, you not go agree make it go carry that half naked. Even the day when they do America Got Talent. Now see half naked, she take go there. Now the man see carry and go. The man is helping her to build her own dream, but she's not returning anything back to him. That is the hunger of the young man. He's just 30 years old. He's still growing. The wife is growing. The man is growing. So they both need each other. Not just one side be giving. When will the other side give? May we still think, and we black, when will they marry each other? Not to come talk of Oyibo. Not to come talk of Oyibo. Because their own, they not believe in violence. When their own go don't take result of violence, when the man they see, they show people so. When he go return to violent, now in the man they come social media, come they let on, they see small one so. Believe me. You understand? It is better our sister get her senses and keep it to order. I mean they tell you. The thing don't too overfull for the guy brain. It's like I'm just investing and I'm not getting any love back. All these are the fake life. If the man not come out, come talk, and people go say na prank. But he come reply and say not be prank. Now that time you will come go different war, different place for social media. You will come they see how we Nigerians, oh, we are praying for you. Is it by prayer? Now prayer one go tell person say make it not come social media again. Now person one come now prayer now one come tell person way they wear half naked, make it learn how to dress up fully. Even if you want sexy, there are way to do it. Huh? That one a person wife. Who now sure say if na black man he marry, you sure say which kind black man way go gree make your wife they do all those pint and bra wear, they come live video, come they dance. You na men way be black, well na many men they say we are praying for you. I just they look them. Will you allow your wife to do that? Will you? She not even prepare any. She not even prepare. Nothing. No, nothing. You know, when me and one born, at least pregnant women, where we are African, especially for this Europe. You know, before you born, you go stock food, put for house. Even soup, you go cook, you go dish and put for deep freezer. Say, okay, in case I born, no, make her they see all these things. Me no they see, they see say, he bring packet of Indomie come out. Oh, what know that be? An African woman. Oh, vie data no kene pepe soup, we me ya, iro unwetebu no ya arize. Ero. Say, or marry ebo, yon swan or marry ebo. Not be only she they start and tomorrow ebo now. People don't go there, they don't come out. Many people don't go there, don't come on. Some even born for Igbo. Some not born for Igbo. Some not born for Igbo. Not be food now. You say maybe not the food. Now you tell hold the man. Oh Igbo, if you teach them African food, that they eat and well. Then they eat African food well. Even then go they demand. Then go they demand. But on emi orion yale. Okonoda be Indomie laja. Where the pepper soup? A data woman. No pepper soup. No panderiam. No better thing where be say he go they make her say okay, they give him more energy where she go fit to breastfeed. Huh? You know they, my people, may we talk true. We don't need to sugarcoat anything. Everything not be prayer. It's your mindset. I don't feel talking since. Some people go pray. After prayer finish, before you know, the next minute, you don't they fornicate. You don't they swear ogun. Then you tomorrow, you say, let's pray. Not be everything. More than not they abuse prayer. More than not they abuse prayer. And more than not they abuse God for many things. If somebody won't change, now he mindset. If somebody no won't change, now still he mindset. If somebody is ready to change, you can't pray put for that person. Then you will be seeing the changes. Don't be person who are never even ready to change. When she's living a social media life, bringing out the fake one. Now this time we now don't know, say, many people on this social media, they are living fake life. Fake life. Not be last week here, that she was even having almost about 70,000 washing her life when she was born. And what are we here waiting with the see today now? Waiting with the see today now, waiting they go on now. And when the man come they talk now, says now since 2018, many people heard big. It's not everything you see on social media. All that glinters are no good. It's not everything you see on social media. Because they see this woman comment now, Kemi Oluloya. He say make the man go do DNA. Since he don't involve cheating, say make he go do DNA. And they see now say, Insta blog, all of them, they don't write and come and say, Kemi Oluloya say make he go do DNA. It is possible. Anything is possible. I'm not fit deny. But I know, say one thing I know. If Oyibo don't suspect, say, you they cheat on them. If Oyibo suspect, say, you they cheat on them. And they don't see them, they forgive you. But not just think and say, once you born picking for them, they not go fit tell you, say, come, may we go do DNA. They know they tell you. Lie. Oyibo will never call you to tell you, I want to go and do DNA. No way. They are going to do it behind your back. Behind your back. And if not positive, they're not going to even tell you. If not negative, just wait for them. Please like this video, share this video. Many people don't know. Now they say Oyibo women, Oyibo women. Oyibo men, they depressed. The man, they depressed. He depressed. He depressed. He don't too harbor a lot. It's the reason he's crying out. Because in your family now, he feel like person where family reject. You feel like person where family reject. I not lie you. And they feel reject and say, cause say the woman where you marry. They reject and say, they feel reject and say, cause say the woman where you marry. Because the dressing and the doings and everything, the family go they complain. When your wife they take they get time for you. When your wife, they take, they get time for children. When your wife, they take, they do this, they cook, they clean, they do this. Because I see the family picture where they all of them gather, take, I think during Christmas period or so, where she said they go see grandpa and grandma. So the husband actually came from a big family because there plenty there that day where for that picture. And now only she be the black person there. But thank God say she cover up. She cover up when she want go see father-in-law and mother-in-law. So do you think maybe the husband, their family are happy with the kind of things that they are seeing on social media? So it's possible the man is taking too much. The man is taking a lot of heat from his own family, maybe from his own colleague, maybe from his own people where be say his clients and all those things say, your wife. When I never see where Oyibo old women, they Oyibo can gossip, Oyibo can gossip, if they become your gossip partner. Anything they see, anything where they see, then go waiting, then see you can't discuss them with you. The man is taking too much and he don't know where to go. Meanwhile, the person that's supposed to be there for him is a social media wife. She's living her life on social media. So the people don't they quarrel with them now, say, make una stay out of social media. The man is getting a lot, he's harboring a lot. You go see most picture where they take. He always excuse his face. He excuse his face. It's like somebody that don't want to be there, but he want to be there. He no get choice. He no get choice. Go on this camera, go on that one, go do this one, go do this one, go do this one. And it's possible the man don't want to be on camera. If he be say, now where she born, the man just feel say, okay, let me just be doing the camera work for now, so that you can get yourself and you can relax, take care of yourself, take care of the children, and maybe, okay, let me be doing the little camera. She not go agree. She not go agree. She live her life on camera. We don't need to. Don't blame people when you don't know. If Oyibo man cry out, no say they don't too overtake. Then don't too overtake. Then they go counseling, no, if it's too much. But now when counseling not on the work, is what we are seeing on social media now. When counseling not work, is what we are now seeing on social media. The man is tired because he not get who he want run to. He not fit go call father-in-law for Africa or mother-in-law for Africa, because the only thing where people for Africa, especially where be say, then get picking where marry Oyibo. Now bring money, bring money, bring money, bring money, bring money, bring money. Nine. So which advice they want can give Oyibo? Which advice? And Oyibo na not bargain for the life when they see so. Oyibo bargain for love. I love you, you love me back. I give you 100, you can give me 90, no problem. You can give me 90, no problem. No be when now Oyibo go carry pikin come out, come show the world. Within the next 5 minutes, Oyibo off live video. You go on your own, come carry pikin come out, come show the world. You know, it's too much now. Sometimes the man feel like I don't have control anymore. I don't have control anymore over her, over the situation. The man is in pain, is in pain, is in pain. I believe it's time for our family to call their daughter, tell her it is enough. Even if now abroad you dey. Even if now abroad you dey. Not be she started. Even if maybe I don't know when she come. But I feel say she never too long when she come. Never too long when she come. Because when they interview her for that American Got Talent, where she go when she was 7 months pregnant with the first daughter, She talk a little about herself. So now then I know say she be stubborn pikin. He say wetin the papa say make him go read. He not do. Now this dancing, he come dey dance, they go. So you see. So now person wey not listen to his papa, you know those days for Africa, papa go say do this, you go do one. But at the end of the day, so if he be saying na through that dancing, the husband see maybe for Facebook, I don't know where. The guy like the way take the dance. He both go Africa, go marry woman, come. If he be saying so, but this sometimes, he both feel they like that thing, nah. But at the end of the day, the moment you are not slowing down, when you don't they advance and you know they slow down, they themselves will be fed up of the thing where they tell love you before. They now feel it is too much because person they advance. So I feel the man don't they advance, they go the stage where he say, he don't want to they see his wife half naked for social media for the whole world anymore. A mother of 2 children. Mother of 2 children, a wife. There is no black man that will accept that what she's doing. We have to be honest with ourselves. There is no black man, no black person that will be happy with what she's doing. No black person. This one not be prayer. Go pray, not be prayer. She need to go work on herself. She need to go work on herself. Learn how to become a mother and become a wife. School where your papa say, may you go, you not go. Now dance and you go. You can't become. You still come here now. The same dancing. You want use and take spoil the marriage. Just living life on social media. Living life on social media. It's not the best. It's not the best at all. And now fake life. Barely 1 week. See the story now. The husband finally came out with the real truth since 2018. The guy tried. He tried. Just that some Oyibo they will be say they bargain with their family, say even this marriage I not like the woman self, but I love her. I'm ready to be here. I'm ready to take whatever I can take. Is one of the reason. Is one of the reason the man still harbor since 2018. Oyibo no they harbor rich like that, oh. You know they harbor rich like that. You know they harbor. For her, may she just suffer. May she calm down. May she talk to the man. May them two of them, may them go therapy. May them go see counseling. They need it. She need it. She herself need to take control of herself. To be a wife. It's like a social media spirit don't enter her. She need to be a wife. She's not a mother. She's not a wife. It's what I see in her. One and no vessel. But now waiting at the picture be that. The truth. The truth. At least learn how to clean, learn how to cook good, learn how to do this. Don't be black now, not be black, oh. Black now say maybe you marry now, If supposing before she marry, she fit carry her mama come. Or when she born now, before she born, she carry her mama. That all these things talk. I'm not sure say go day. Maybe the guy go for sit time till they relax too, the husband. But I'm not sure say the man they relax. So the man is at the limit. Is at the limit. Make him not go do something extraordinary. We all know Igbo story. Emi Boyan jump with Yukbe training once they fed up. I be know they happen for some area where na dey. Oyibo wa jump with lawe training. Ugbenso wa drive motor kan wa mo break express gbo. When they are depressed, they can do anything. They can do anything. Extra miles they can go. And people, and so I go talk and reach this evening. Is our sister we need to talk to. This one not be prayer. The family, they need to call her. They need to call her. And if then they disturb her, say bring money. I believe it's time for them now to leave her. So that she can also enjoy her marriage. she can also enjoy her marriage, because a lot of people they suffer wey marry oyibo na bondage dem dey for family hand. Big bondage, big one. Or can they tell now oyibo you marry now oyibo now oyibo you go dey pay school fees for other people generation you never born. So many people don't go through a lot of all those things. You go dey pay school fees for other people generation. They go they tell you now oyibo you marry now. I talk well now oyibo you marry now oyibo. If they cough, they not cough well. They are coming to call you because why? You marry oyibo. So it is possible that girl too they go too more going through a lot of stress also from her family. Where it be say she just want to also fulfill for them. If it be say now only she still there here. So everything now onwebo all now oyibo head. Now the oyibo head day. So the stress is too much. The stress in abungbe. When so near do win ukbo yama mo bon even stress in here. No be total your webo. No man winner or even stress in here. A family na atie we worry rigore. A frustration no. A frustration well to be well are frustrating bonu we munu wa wo igbaro wa we frustrate agme boni by. Iriam Africa family ga asegeni. So which I believe is what she's going through now. Is what she's going through. She be saying now only she want day here now. So everybody depend on her. Phoebe is one of the reasons she not fit come up for live video because now there she they get money. Where she they see they send they go Africa. Umaro Ibo they don't already know say they'll say agbom how any. They don't even know whether the Oyibo get money or you not get money, or you they try to look for another way from the Oyibo to survive your life here. They don't even care. All in the name you don't marry Oyibo, so you will come to see different family problem. Whether they call everything and money, not be nothing else. So only God knows what the poor girl is also going through herself. What she's also going through. We not go see who don't born and we be saying no go just go see as people go see the husband war when she carried the baby come out. Go see how people they blast them with comments. Why they not wear the picking shirt? Upon say people donate clothes, go give them. People donate clothes, go give them. And she herself, I think she even bring and comment, make people buy her gift. So only come and me go video. No don't more like social media. Can't say make people come they buy things for her. Say see what she need. Who get no go just you no go talk. Now just for her to go born her picking carry and come show the world. People will bring the things come for her now. They don't the quarrel say the clothes where people pack can't give you now. Una know they wear the picking. Una they naked the picking for outside. The picking know they wear clothes. I beg my people. People of the world will say a lot, but sometimes we all know what in that girl they go through. If we black and black where we see marry each other, you go see family go call you, you no get money to go give your family, especially you will be woman. If it be say you and your husband will not just manage. Some family go say, since when you marry that man, where you not bring money again for them. Then go even go they swear for your husband where you marry. I know so many people don't they go through all those things. The time where you never married, or say, oh, the time where you come marry this one down, money no come they come again, anything no come they come again. It's one of the reasons many marriages they crash. The kind pressure from Africa, it's too much for some people, but it depends on you how you are ready to let go, especially when you don't born pikin. When you don't born pikin for this abroad, let go of any family problem. Let go. Let go, otherwise now your pikin go suffer. Now your pikin go suffer. It get the time where government go pay you rich for that pikin. And by the time you not feel use and yield anything for the pikin, you are in problem. You will come see some, then go gather. Picking money when they pay picking, gather everything. You will come see, they'll say, carry, go house, go buy land for me. Land, they not go see. House, they not go see. Nothing where they go see. You are frustrating your life, and you are frustrating the life of the innocent child you gave birth to here. And when social go come collect the picking from you, you go they shout. Not be Africa they give you the money for. They gave you money to take care of that child. You go see people go they collect money from social. But now where that they sell second-hand things, you go they buy. You go they buy second-hand clothes, second-hand shoe, they wear your picking. Wait till they give you the money for. What did they give you the money for? All in the name Africa. All in the name Africa. One thing I believe in this life is that once you are a mother, always have a reserve for your children's future. Yeah. Always have a reserve. Have a rethink. Think about the children that you gave birth to. Not the cousins, the nephews, the sister picking, brother picking, where it be say them be they hail you before, mommy. Not give them again. May it be say 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. You just can't focus on your own children. They take off your own children here. Whether you go even hear that mommy again from them. Whether they go even respect you again. If you even go Africa, now knows they go take greet you come up for them. Because the money is not coming in again. The money not they come in again. But then forget say, you don't get another responsibility. Where you pass you, where you they take care of. You don't get another responsibility. But many African family, they will never hear that one. They will never listen to it. They just believe you owe them. Many African family believe say you owe them. And you must pay them. And so it be. And so it be. But it is left for you to set your boundary. To set your boundary. To set your boundary. You not be like Africa now where be say you no go get food. You feel just carry ozokpo go mama osakpolo house go look for food. Iyo sakpolo la wazizeme. You understand? Iyo sakpolo wazizeme. Which person from abroad here go carry plates, go meet to Igbo neighbor, say, please, can you give me rice or give me soup? He go ask you whether you no get money. Igbo fieva no atana. Me don't go Igbo party. Wait, be say, yes, na birthday, fine. But if we they do that time, if they come, food go surplus, everybody go eat. But go their own. Now coffee and tea then get for you, rich. Nothing else. For your present, for my present, they were eating, sitting on the dining table. Then they eat. They not come and say, come eat. They not call. People who gotta go, they not call. Because they not put our stomach joiner. So people like that, now you can't go me say, I beg I not see food eat because I don't carry some of the money go Africa. Now they will first cause those way they take social. They go first cause social for you. So my people, I greet you now this evening. I greet you now. Korra, she need to go and sort herself out. She need to go and sort herself out. Because those names the husband called her, narcissists, all those things is a lot. The guy don't have but too much. Make it not go lead to something else. Oyibo no care. It's not that they no care, they care, but they no care. Oyiwe na wovisi wina mokba begeni. Nyewa wukhane. Iya divorce sonawa. Wukhane wa divorce na wa wukhane ovi emi vie. Ona wari 1 week holiday, wake 1 week holiday. Before you know na wa biabe yo yes wife eko na gbewa bevona. I want to boy, I want bewa. I want bewa. I want your market. No, you have your money. So, able, or me limited, able mechana, or me limited near go, near take it say. Or me limited near take it say. When I own me bonari or gone, just go and change your way. Me limit in here take say Me ya abo. Me ni so ni abo. Me so ni abo. Ya tasing when I anyway, ya mukbiana, man, do we are. Why so no? But on a holiday nya. Ya work a holiday, 1 week holiday. On a Egypt, ya be 1 week holiday. Or what on our. Oh, yes, my fair one more once wake it around 7 o'clock. A beggar in summertime. Agbada wa abia yeko. So we have to be careful. You have to be careful. You have to be careful. Because on a limit in here take it, on a limit in here take it. So no only now you do have vibrate, you do have go with social media. Somebody like that, she herself, she need to go and change her ways. That's just it. She should go and change her way. Hey boy, me need take you, me need take you. Man, who you can work, I want take care. Or me need take, or me need take. And I take me. They don't care. They don't care. You understand? Because he's already telling the world that they need help. They need help. They need help. So he has been in bondage, is what he keep on saying. He's in bondage since 2018. So it's like the whole family, everyone now rejected him. He's just on his own. He's on his own. Oh. If not, maybe by now you for the see sister-in-law, brother-in-law, they come visit them. You know they like to show up. But nobody. All these things what she do. She for work out, go bring her family, come. Maybe mama may come do a mugo here. I believe it's possible the mother would have been able to talk to her and calm her down. I go more going. May we still pray for her. May God change her mind. That is just it. But she has a lot to do. A lot of work to do. She has a lot of work to do. The man don't too harbor. You know good. For Igbo, they hard bust like that. It's going in a wrong dimension. It's going in a wrong dimension. Oyibo their own be say once they don't talk wetin they verse them, they don't tell you say see wetin they verse them, see wetin that they go through. They want you to change it for them. They want you to change it for them. They want you to give them the assurance that you are going to change and you are going to make them to be happy. The moment you are able to do it for them, then go see forget and go back to start acting normal again. Now so Oyibo be. Then go back and start acting normal again. As if say nothing happened before. But once he's not getting it, yeah. That is what we are saying now. And I will already raise social media. A meta breakdown you understand? A meta breakdown because you walk be a meta breakdown oh, they use our sense so I beg. Oh, they use our sense. Now only we, black to black, we feature quarrel. The quarrel, if it's come too much, you go call family. I don't take by no better, take by no bridge, go settle around. Oh, Igbo, nobody they talk put for their papa, their mama, no they talk put. They know they talk put. They know they talk put. The only advice where their parents they always get for them, they say, if you not let you, if you know say you not go fit, go divorce. Is the reason the man is bringing we are divorcing. So it's possible the parents don't tell and say, if you know say you are not happy in it, do the needful. That is their only way they know. Oyibo papa no they settle marriage issue. They know they talk put. Oyibo parents no they talk put for marriage issue. Because the office say no consign them. The only advice they will just tell you, especially their mama, go say if you know say you are not happy, do the needful. Needful na divorce and live your life. And so it be. And so it be my people, because sometimes not be everything they profit to you as a woman. In case of maybe divorce come day. If it be say the man salary now, e not too high. You will be woman and your salary high. The fit tell you say me you can't pay the man. If he go drag the children from you, if he drag the children from you, you will be woman and you will come ready to spend 50 hours for social media where you will take they pay the man child support and everything. They pay the man. Una know say they here. Go see a lot of American celebrity where be say now then they pay their husband. Then they pay their husband. Now then they pay. Not be the other way around though. Now then they pay. Now do well, my people. Make I live on a good night. Thank you all so much. Have a lovely weekend. I greet you now. Wanna sleep good. Tomorrow is another day. Thank you all. Have a nice weekend. Please help me to share.